Hello students, today we will continue chapter 7, that is permutations and combinations, and today I am going to you entirely different concept, that is how we can find out the rank of any word. What is the rank of the word? You know, in a dictionary all the words are written according to their order. Like if there is a 3-letter word, this is ABC, then alphabetically if you are writing, then first of all we know this is the 1 2 3, this is the position of these letters in the this is the alphabetical order. A is at the first alphabetical order, B is at the second order position, and C is at the third alphabetical position. So if alphabetically as per the dictionary, if we are writing it, तो डिक्शनरी के रूल के अकॉर्डिंगली if we writing, then A comes at the first position, then B and C, then A, C, B, and now these are the two words which can be written by using by starting with the alphabet A. Why starting with alphabet B? Then after that there will be the words starting with B. B के बाद alphabetically B, if you have written at this position, then A and C are left, and in A and C, A comes first before C, so it would be like this, then it would be like this. Then the words starting with the C, if you have kept it here, then A and B are left, then A and B, because A comes before then B. So this CAB and then CBA. Why CAB is written before that CBA? Because A comes before then B. So in this way we can write these three letters A, B and C alphabetically. So now these were the only three letters were there. You can easily write, and you can know what is the position. Suppose this is CAB. CAB word, if you are writing according to the dictionary, alphabetically order में आप इसको लिख रहे हैं, तो CAB is at this position, means this is first rank, this is at the second, third, fourth, fifth. So this is at the fifth rank. So what is the rank of this word cab if you are writing it according to the dictionary? तो अब ये तो बहुत छोटा सा 3 letters का एक word था. It was very easy to find out the rank. What is the rank of this word cab? But if there is any other word having more words, letters, more alphabets, then it would become very tedious process to find out the order, the rank of that particular word. So what is there is then one method. There are particular steps to find out the rank of any word. What is that? Let me tell you. There is a trick also, but before telling you about that trick, I am going to explain the proper process by which we can find out the rank of the word. So suppose there is the word mother, MOTHER, mother word है, and we want to find out the rank of this word. What is the rank of this particular word mother? So first of all, I am going to write all the alphabets in all the letters in their alphabetical order. So first is E, then after E H, then H के बाद M, then O, then E, then H, then M, then O, then R, then D. Okay, I have written all the letters, all these letters in their alphabetical order. Now I have to find out the order of this word mother. Now I am going to start this. Look here carefully. Now number of words starting with E. E से start होने वाले कितने वर्ड है? Means E I have fixed. But I have fixed E. Then how many letters are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial, that is 120. But there is no repetition ना, तो इसलिए मैंने upon इसकी permutation ही की है. 5 letters का तो permutation कितना है? 5 factorial है. Now our first letter is M, but it is starting with E, so that's why I have written there are 120 words which can be started with E. Now number the words which are starting with H. E के बाद H. Okay. Now you hide it H because you have used H. Now how many letters are there? 4 plus 1. 4 are here. 1 is here. 5 factorial. So this is again 120. No letter is repeated. Okay. So now number of letters which are starting with M. Okay. Now M. M though whatever is the position of this letter M in our word, we have got that position, so that's why I'm going to cancel it. इसको cancel कर देना and again I have to now one word, one letter. This otherwise we were starting with only one letter. Now this is over. Now M, I have got this M here. This is at this position, first position, and this is also here. It is same. So I have cut it, and again I will start from alphabetically E, but that will be along with M. So M E. M E तो नहीं है ना, M O है. जब तक M O नहीं आ जाएगा, we'll keep on doing it. Okay, again in the same manner. So M is now cut. We are not going to count it now. Now M E. E को hide कर लीजिए because I have used it here. How many letters are here now? 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 24. Now M E I have already used. Now M I will keep on writing because M is now our fixed at the first position. Now along with this, now which letter will be fixed? That I have to see. E I had already fixed. Now I will take H. Alphabetically I will take E M H. Now I will hide this H and I am not going to consider this M. M को consider नहीं करना क्योंकि वो भी लिखा हुआ है. So now how many letters are here? 4. 4 factorial means 24. Now again the letters, the words starting with M. I have used E. I have used H. Now I will use O. O, yes, it is again. I have got it. And along with M, there is next letter, that is O. And here also M and then O. So cut this O also because it has taken its position, whatever is there in our required word. Whose rank we have to find. So M O. M and O are now fixed. Now third letter again we will choose according to alphabetical order. So now M is also cancelled and O is also cancelled. Now along with M and O I am going to take this E. E. So now I will hide E. Now how many letters? Because 3 letters have been used. These are cut. Don't consider these. I am going to hide it because I have used it. Now how many are left? 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3 factorial. We know that is 6. Now M O E के बाद now H. Hide H. Again 1, 2, 3. 3 factorial, that is 6. Now again M O. M O तो हो गए हमारे fix. अब E we have taken. H I have already taken. Now which R? M O R. तो R को hide कर दीजिए. 1, 2 and 3 letters are left. So this is 3, that is 6. Now M O. E I had taken, H I had taken along with M O, and I have taken now T. T, that is exactly at the same position which is there in our word. So I am going to cut this also. Now again I will start alphabetically, but along with this means now these 3 will remain always fixed. Along with these 3 letters which have been fixed, I have to again start alphabetically in the alphabetical order, that is E. This is E. So hide this E. So how many letters are left here? 1 and 2. This is 2 factorial means 2. Then M O T to fix. Okay, these 3 have been fixed. And E I had taken at this position. Now next is H O. That is again at the same position which is required in our word. So I will cut this. Cut this. So now 4 letters have been fixed according to because these are at the same position which are in the given word. So now again I will restart. I am going to restart again in the alphabetical order, and first alphabet is now E. again I have checked it and found it is again there in the same position, whatever is the position given in our required word, so it will be also cancelled. So now 1 2 3 4 5 letters के बाद I have to choose the next letter, that is only R is left, that I will write that one. So this is 1. So now I will add all these. So this is 120 plus 120, 24 plus 24, 6 plus 6 is 12, and this is 6 plus 6 plus 6, this is 18, and this is 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 8, 16 plus 3, 19, this is 5 plus 5, 10, and this is 309. So this is 309. Therefore, rank of mother word is 309. Means if alphabetically, if we are keep on writing all these letters, then this word mother will be at the 309th position. Is it clear? Now I will re-explain it, but by using one trick. एक ट्रिक से हम इसको चेक करते हैं कि हमारा आंसर सही है कि नहीं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू राइट. देखो यही क्वेश्चन मैं ट्रिक से करके दिखा रही हूँ. ठीक है, तो ये है MOTHE and R. Now I will write their position, at what position they are in the alphabetical order. So in the alphabetical order, if you write, so this will be at the first position, E, then H is at the second position, then M is at the third position, and O is at the fourth position, and then this is sixth, and T is at the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is at the fifth, and this is at the sixth position. Okay. So I have written what are their positions as per the alphabetical order. Now I will see, first of all, I will take this M, and I will see what are the number of the letters which comes before this M in the alphabetical order. तो alphabetical order यानी थर्ड से कम पोजीशन पर कितने लेटर्स है, थर्ड से कम पोजीशन पर जो सेकंड और एक 1, तो these two are coming, so I will write down here 2. This will be 2. Now this O से कम पोजीशन पर कौन से है, this will be written as 2. Now this O के बाद कौन कौन से, this O is at the fourth position, तो 2 and this H is at the second position and E is at the first position, means again 2 letters are here. Now this T is at the sixth position. Now I will check only on the right hand side. So again to the right of this T, how many letters are there which are coming before this T, means जो कि कम, जिनका ये position जो है 6 से कम है, that is 2 and 1 and 5, all these 3 letters. So these 3. Now H का सेकंड रैंक है, सेकंड रैंक से पहले, इससे पहले फर्स्ट पोजीशन. राइट साइड में देखना, अपने लेफ्ट में देखना ही नहीं. H से पहले एक ही है और तो है नहीं 1, और इससे पहले 1 से छोटी कोई पोजीशन होगी नहीं, 0, और इससे इधर है ही नहीं. अब ये हो गई आपकी पोजीशन. नाउ यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एक्सट्रीम राइट and 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Means you have to write down, you have to start always from the right side and with the 0 factorial only. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Now 0 factorial means 0, 1 factorial means 1, 2 factorial means 2, 3 factorial 6, 4 factorial 24, and 5 factorial is 120. Now you will multiply this, means 5 factorial multiply this 2, then plus 4 factorial means 24, 24 को multiply करना है आपने 2 से, 24 4 factorial into 2, or you can show it like this, 2 into 5 factorial plus 2 into 4 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 1 into 2 factorial plus 0 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial plus 1 भी करना है. That is the rank of this word mother. So 2 into 5 factorial is 2, 120. 4 factorial means 24. 3 factorial means 6. Okay. And then 2 factorial means 2. 0, any number multiplied with 0 is 0, any number multiplied with 0 is 0, and then last में plus. So this is 240, this is 48, this is 18, this is 3. So let us add these 48, 18 and 3. 8 8 16, 16 plus 3 19, 1 carry over, this is 8, 9, 10, this is 309. You can see both of the answers are same, but this is the trick method and this is the long method, and you have to follow this type we use in our competitive exams, or otherwise this is the method we mostly use in exams. क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको 50th रैंक किसका है, अगर सपोज करो आई नीड टू चेक द वर्ड which is at 241 position, then how can you find out for that? So you need this one only. So that's why this method you should know, you must know, only then you would be able to answer what is the word which is coming at position 241. Okay, now I have to find out the rank of this word. Google word का rank निकालना है, तो मैंने इसके whatever the letters of this word are there, I have written them in alphabetical order. Okay, so I have written them. Now first is E. So number of words starting with E. तो E से तो हमारा जो original word है that is not starting with E, so हम इसको E को hide करके देखते हैं how many letters are here. So here are 1 2 3 4 5 factorial, but divided by repetition. How many letters you can see here? G 2 times, so 2 factorial. O is also 2 times 2 factorial. So this is 120 and 2 factorial means 2, and this is also 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So this is 30. Okay. So our number of the words now starting with G. So now G is fixed. Now G is fixed. Okay. But G is here at the first position in our word. So here G will be cancelled. So G will be cancelled. Now G will be fixed here now. G is available here at this position. This is now used. Now again we will start in alphabetical order. So again I will start from here, but now I will write it along with G. G is cut from here. Now it is cut from here. G is because it has come here. Now again start with E. E is not here. Okay. So now I will hide this E because G to cut and E I have covered it. So how many are left here? 1 2 3 4. So 4 factorial divided by the repetition. Now tell me which letters are repeating here. You can see only O is 2 times, so this is 2 factorial. This is 24. 4 factorial means 24. 2 factorial means 2. It is 12. Now words starting with G. After G, what is here? Again G. So this G is not here. So now it means hide this G. Now this is cut. Don't count it. 1 2 3 4. 4 factorial and divided by repetition. Repetition is of these only O's, that is 2 times 24 by 2. Again that is 12. Now words starting with G तो fix है. This G तो we have fixed. G तो fix है. उसके साथ we had taken E, we had taken G. Now I will take L. L, it is not after G, it is not L. So keep on going. So now hide this L. How many are left? 1 2 3 4. 4 factorial by 2 factorial because O is repeated 2 times, again it is 12. Now words starting with G. देखो G के साथ हमने we have written E, we have written G, we have written L. Now what is this? Is O आता है तो O is again at the same position which we need here. O is at the second position here, also O is at the second position, so this O will be cancelled now. So now 2 letters, it means 2 letters have been fixed here, this G and O. Now again I will start in the alphabetical order, but again I have fixed this G and O, and third letter I will keep on writing along with these 2 letters which are fixed letter. तो इसके साथ E start हुआ, E तो नहीं है ना, थर्ड पर जब तक O नहीं आ जाता तब तक लिखते रहेंगे. तो G O E, तो E को फिक्स कर दिया, तो 1 2 3 फैक्टोरियल. यू कैन सी नाउ नो लेटर इज रिपीटेड क्योंकि 1 O तो कैंसिल हो चुका है, अब उसको नहीं कंसिडर करना. सो दिस इज 6. नाउ G ओ तो फिक्स है, उसके साथ फिर क्या आएगा, जी. So hide this g. So how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 factorial, that is 6. Now words starting with जी ओ तो फिक्स है ही हमारा, जी ओ के साथ ई और जी आ चुका है, देन एल, जी ओ एल. ओके, जी ओ एल. पर यहाँ तो जी ओ है, जब तक वो नहीं आएगा विल कीप ऑन राइटिंग. ओके, जी ओ एल, एल को हाइड किया. ये तो हमारे these have been cancelled because these have been fixed, G and O have been fixed. So how many are left? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 factorial means 6. Now words starting with G and O are तो fixed. उसके बाद we had taken G O के साथ E भी आ चुका है, G O के साथ G भी आ चुका है, G O के साथ L भी आ चुका है. Now what is left? That is O. तो वो बिल्कुल थर्ड पोजीशन पर O आ गया जो हमें चाहिए, which is required. So it means now these are fixed. Fixed. Again we will start alphabetically from the beginning. That is E. E आएगा अब इसके साथ. अब 3 फिक्स हो गए. E आया आपका, तो E को हाइड कर दीजिए. How many are left? 2. No repetition है तो this is 2. So now G O E, तो G O O तो फिक्स हो गए और E हम लगा चुके हैं. अब आया L. L. That is at our third position. G जब तक नहीं आएगा आप लिखते रहेंगे. ओके, जी ओ ई के बाद जी ही आएगा सर, ये जी ओ जी. तो ये आपका आ गया, ये है ना. तो आप इसको भी कैंसिल कर दीजिए. तो ये आपके 4 लेटर फिक्स हो गए. 4 लेटर जब फिक्स हो गए, अगेन गो बैक ई. तो 5th लेटर ई तो नहीं, एल है, तो अभी तो इसको ही लिखिए. तो जब आप ई को फिक्स कर देते हैं तो कितना बचा आपके पास? 1 and 2. ओ भी आपका यूज हो गया था हमारा यहाँ पर. एक मिनट, जी ओ ओ ओ. सो जी ओ ओ, when I have written G, so it is at the same position which was required. So G I have cancelled. So again I will start from the beginning. E. Okay. So how many letters are left? Only L is left. That is 1 factorial. Then G O O G. E के बाद क्या है? L. Okay, that is at the same position which is required. So again cut it and started from the beginning. And this is our required word Google. That is 1. So now rank. So in this way, rank of this word will be 30 plus 12 is written 3 times. Then 6 is 3 times. Then 2 plus 1 plus 1, this is 30 plus 36 plus 18 plus this 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4, and this is 66 plus 22, that is 88. So rank of Google word is 80. हाँ जी, L is at the third position and the number of the letters which are at the position which is lower than this L, that is 1. This is 1 and here 1 to its right there is no, so it is 0. So now I will start from extreme right. Right से पता है आपको, और क्या करना होता है? 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial and then 5 factorial. So rank will be 1 upon 2 factorial means 2, 2 factorial means 2 into 5 factorial 120 plus 3 upon 2 factorial means 2 into 4 factorial, that is your 24 plus 3 into 3 factorial, 3 factorial means 6 plus 1 into 2 factorial yani 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1, okay, and 0 into 0 factorial, that is 0 into 0 factorial, and in the end we will add 1. Okay, so this is 30. If you will cancel, this is 12 3s are 36 plus 18 plus 2 plus this 1 and then plus this 0 then plus this 1. This is 66 then 20 then plus 2. So how much is this? This is 88. So rank of this word is 88.